best penny stocks to buy on April 28th, 2026, part 1. So number one recommendation is Baya International Group, stock symbol BIYA. It is up today 105% or 81 cents, trading at $1.59. Since this morning, it already traded 146 million shares. Market cap for the company is $7 million. This company is from Personnel Services. So, interesting sector to produce a daily winner with 107% return. But what I noticed is that companies from Personnel Services, they're actually using quite a bit of software to, let's say, service employees and track their benefits and generate payroll. So, and a lot of times they were using, I guess, like third-party software to do this and paying like a lot of money in fees. And right now there's like smaller companies, software companies, that are providing the same type of solution but a lot cheaper because it's been written by AI coding agents. So it's going to be an interesting play. So take a look and maybe you put some money into it, because guess what? Just 6 months ago, the stock was trading at $12 a share, and it was just declining for the last 6 months. But today, I guess they released some kind of news, and they're, creating a record trading volume of 147 million shares for the last 6 months, and it looks like they're attracting a lot of new buyers. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there. Next one is Aterian Incorporated, stock symbol ATER. It is up today 93% or 60 cents, trading at $1.26. Since this morning, it already traded 157 million shares. Market cap for the company is $13 million. So, and this company is from internet retail sector. So basically, I guess they're running stores like Amazon or eBay or something like this. The interesting thing about this stock is that it was kind of wobbly in the last 6 months, basically going to $1, then going back to 50 cents. And, it was basically kind of all over the map. However, in the last 6 months or last 2 months, it was basically hovering around 60 cents. So I guess they released some kind of news today, and suddenly this is the hottest stock on the market right now. I mean, they are producing huge trading volume for them, 157 million shares. This is a record trading volume for them before the stock was barely traded, and also the huge jump in price. So, and also internet retail, again, I mean, they have the same story as a lot of other companies where, they have to either buy or develop their own software to maintain the internet business, the internet stores. So, and before, this software was very expensive to make because you need human programmers to do it. And I think they're benefiting from AI by using AI coding agents to do a lot of heavy lifting, fixing bugs, improving the site, adding some more features, added pennies on the dollar based on AI cost of the development. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there. So next one is Sleep Number Corporation, stock symbol SNBR. It is up today 53% or $1.19, trading at $3.40. Since this morning, it already traded 41 million shares. Market cap of the company is $77 million. And interestingly enough, this company is from home furnishings sector. So Usually this type of companies don't really produce daily winners, but I have a suspicion that because a lot of people got laid off and now they're running businesses out of their houses, or starting businesses, maybe running them, and it kind of reminds me the situation during COVID when people were forced to work from home and their homes were not set up for work, because people just had their office desk and they have all these setups and chairs and like office chairs at their offices, but they were forced to stay home and work from home. So, and maybe this is something that has to do with recent layoffs when people still need to do the work, but they're working from their house. So take a look. Oh, by the way, Sleep Number Corporation, I think it's also a mattress manufacturer. So I don't know, maybe because people are laid off now, they sleep a lot, and now they want to buy new mattresses to sleep better because now they don't have to get up like crazy in the morning and run to work. So take a look. And consider this, just 3 months ago, the stock was trading at $12 a share, and now you could get it for $3.44. So, and if you buy it and this thing goes back to its previous levels, I mean, you could be making around 300% return on your investment, which is not bad. So take a look. Next one is Sports Entertainment Gaming Global Corporation. Stock symbol SEGG. It is up today 14% or 13 cents, trading at $1.07. Since this morning, it already traded 27 million shares. Market cap for the company is $16 million. This company is from movies and entertainment sector. So obviously it looks like maybe these guys allow people to bet on sports events because this is like a hot market right now. So the other thing is that just 6 months ago, the stock was trading at $3.60. Then it collapsed all the way to like 20 cents. But in the last, I would say, 3 trading sessions, it's actually, recovering and going back up and building a bullish trend. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because if you decide to pull the trigger and buy it at right now $1.07, and this thing goes back to its previous levels of $3.60, you could be looking at 300% return on your investment, from going from $1 to $3.60. So not bad. So take a look. Next one is Nexera Therapeutics, or Nexera Technologies. Stock symbol NEXR. It is up today 19% or 39 cents, trading at $2.39. Since this morning, it already traded 39 million shares. Market cap for the company is less than $2 million. This company is from recreational products sector. So what can I tell you? I mean, this is a recent IPO, by the way. They just started to trade on 3/31 and on March 31st of this year. And then, they start to trade around $2.30. Then they quickly collapsed to $1.50. But in the last, I would say, couple of days, they started to turn around and go back up. And it looks like something, maybe they released some kind of news. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. Now, if you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, 4pnn.com, and download my app called Penny Gems. It covers 2,000 penny stocks trading under $5, and you would always know what are the best penny stocks to buy, which industries to invest, and also which stocks to avoid because they're just losing money. So the app updates itself every 5 seconds with the latest stock prices and updates its ratings twice a day. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye bye now.